These poor animals were left trapped as floodwaters continued to rise. PETA sent a rescue team to help a dire situation in North Carolina, where dogs and chickens were left stranded from Hurricane Florence, which has now been downgraded to a tropical depression. The helpless animals were stuck in pens, but luckily PETA was able to free them and bring them to safety. Other trapped animals were taken to local high schools to wait out the rain, like these displaced dogs who were lucky enough to stay dry at a makeshift shelter. Florence continues to ravage the Carolinas with historic flooding and monumental damage to homes and businesses throughout the state.